Now that you've found keyword ideas with buyer intent, it's time to figure out what to promote and which affiliate programs actually pay well. So the first step is to look for products behind your keywords. Go through your keyword list and ask yourself, is someone looking to buy a product? And what kind of product would they be interested in? For example, for the keyword best road trip snacks, you could recommend travel-friendly snacks, coolers, or reusable containers, like thermoses. Best road trip apps could be GPS tools, trip planners, or even audio tour apps. Best car for road trips could be comparison content linking to auto insurance or rental car sites. Jot down potential product categories tied to your top keywords. The second step is to Google it like a shopper. Search for your keyword in Google and see what other blogs are promoting. Look for affiliate-heavy content, best of lists, product reviews, or gear guides. Click a few links and see if they lead to Amazon, brand stores, or other services. These are usually affiliate links, and they give you clues about what's already being promoted in your niche. Now that you know what products your niche is searching for, it's time to find affiliate programs for them. Try Googling the product or brand name plus the keyword affiliate program. Here I found an affiliate program for road trippers. You can also try using affiliate networks like Impact, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Amazon Associates, which is good for physical products. Once you've found a few affiliate programs that look promising, let's quickly compare them using the Earning Potential Calculator, a custom workbook I built just for you, linked in the description below. This spreadsheet helps you estimate which programs offer the strongest earning potential. Here's how to use it. Click the link for the workbook in the description, then, when it loads, click Use Template in the top right corner. Enter the name of each affiliate program or product in the first column. Then go across the row and fill out all the dropdowns. For product type, is it a software, a physical product, or a service? For the typical price range, how much does a product usually cost? For affiliate payout type, is the payout a flat rate, a one-time percentage, or recurring? For estimated commission, roughly how much would you earn per sale? And then for cookie length, how long would you get credit for the sale after someone clicks your link? Once you've filled in all 5 fields for a row, the earnings score will be calculated automatically. Here's an example of what the earning potential calculator might look like after you've completely filled it out. You see I've got an earnings score on the right for all the different products and brands, and they're color-coded so I know which ones are the best opportunities. Green equals high potential, yellow equals decent but might need better targeting, and red equals low potential. Consider finding stronger alternatives. This is a quick way to prioritize which affiliate programs to join based on real numbers, not just gut instinct. Once you've filled out this full sheet and you find a good match, sign up for the affiliate program, grab your unique link, and save it for when we start writing your blog post in the next section.